reality. We all have one. We all live within one. You know, a lot of people help us stay anchored in one. But the truth is that you can't change the reality of tomorrow in your life by looking at the reality of today. Hi, this is Non-Monogamous Mark, and I'm bringing you your EC&M Lifestyles Daily Inspiration. And I just got done working out at the gym at the LA Fitness in Burien, Washington, so I'm sorry that I'm in my gym clothes, my workout clothes, but while working out, I wanted to, had all these thoughts about this video. I just wanted to get made before thoughts fled me. I actually had another video I had in mind. I had lots of notes on I was going to make for today, but for today, the time is going to change, and it's just spur of the moment. We're going to talk about that reality, you see, because you cannot change the reality of tomorrow in your life by looking at reality today. And yet there's lots of ways that we stay anchored in reality today. You know, people say, hey, get real. Or they say, oh, I'm just trying to be realistic. Or, you know, I'm just focused on just making things real and keeping things real in my life and looking at what's realistic and things like that. You know, but you can never make any changes in your life by looking at today. Think about getting in your car and just focusing on right where you're at. How can you ever get anywhere in your car by looking at where you're at? You have to be knowing where you want to go, and you then have to look out the front windshield and the back windshield, you know, back the car around, position it, get it in place to be able to go forward. And then once you want to go forward, you better keep your eyes looking forward. I love that quote by Neil Armstrong. I'm not going to quote it exactly here, but I remember seeing Neil Armstrong actually give this advice at a conference that I was at one time where he was the keynote speaker. You know, and Neil Armstrong, he says, you cannot get where you want to go by looking out the rear view window of your car, the rear, or even in the rear view mirror. You have to be looking forward. You have to be looking out the front windshield of your car. And you have to be knowing where you want to go, and you have to be looking forward at where you want to go. And so by anchoring yourself in reality, you're just keeping yourself in reality of today. So you cannot get where you want to go by looking at where you're at. And so one of the things that with that though is that, you know, I'm going to give you a little bit of a solution here is how to get to where you want to, how to bring the reality that you want in your life for tomorrow, how to actually bring that into your life. And so the first tip there is that you cannot get where you want to go by looking at where you're at today. You know, like whether you're talking about weight, whether you're talking about finances, whether you're talking about your vacation you want to go on, you're talking about sex life, or your love life, or the partners that you have in your life, or the friends that you want to have and spend time with, or the business relationships that you want to acquire to be able to up your game in your business life. You know, you can't change any of that by looking at where you're at today and just being realistic, being real, keeping it real. You can't change any of that. The only way you can begin to change any of that is by knowing where you want to go and keep your focus on where it is that you want to go. Now, once you decide that you know where you want to go, whether it be getting in the car and going somewhere, you're going on that vacation, you decide you want to go to Hawaii, wherever it is. Well, then the next thing is that will help you to get where you want to go is that our lives have our own internal GPS. And I don't know if you understand much about how GPSs work, you know, the Garmin or the GPS on your phone or whatever kind of a GPS unit that you have in order to help you navigate around town these days. You know, those GPS units work by having 3 separate satellite dishes beam a signal down to them so that those satellite dishes can pinpoint with accuracy where you're at and also where you want to go. And then those satellite signals and the maps in your GPS can help you to navigate to get where you want to go. Well, we all have our own internal GPS in our lives. And it is also based upon 3 points in our lives. Now, I'm getting a little bit of universal natural law here on you, but I'm just going ahead and tell you that those 3 things that are your internal GPS are your words, your thoughts, and your feelings, your emotions. And so whenever your words are less than positive, your words are negative, then you're heading in a direction down a negative road. You cannot get where you want to go by being negative, you know, or just being upset or being angry or any kind of negative energy coming out of your mouth will not help you get where you're going. So if there's negative energy coming out of your mouth, I don't care if you just hit your thumb with a hammer, instead of yelling and screaming and cussing because it hurts, just say, oh, ooh, that hurt. Wow, okay. I'm not going to do that again. I'm going to learn from that, that's for sure. If we keep it positive, there's lots of ways you can keep things positive without getting negative on them. And so just keep things positive with your words. Also, your emotions. Keep your emotions positive. If your emotions are negative, then that's a symbol that you're headed in the wrong direction and you're off your path. Whenever you're on your path, your emotions are positive. And so if they're negative, you're going away from where you want to go. If they're positive, you're going where you want to go. And then your thoughts. Same principle here. If your thoughts are positive, your thoughts are focused on where you want to go instead of focused in reality, then your thoughts are helping you to stay where you want to go. If you turn those thoughts to negativity, you're working against yourself. And so that's my inspiration for you today. So if you want to know more about ECNM lifestyles, you can go ahead and click on that link. And thanks for listening and paying attention to me here today in my gym workout clothes. Thanks a lot.